Cribby here. You might be guessing, today we're going to do a Christmas house tour. I decorated early this year because we're off to Disney World and the Caribbean in 5 days now. So we go on Saturday. I actually decorated not this weekend, it's gone the weekend before, so it's pretty early. But I've got to enjoy my decorations for the 2 weeks before we go away because we're just back just 5 days before Christmas. So I wanted to be able to enjoy them. And this year, I'm not sure why, but I've gone Christmas spirit overload again. What I used to be a number of years ago and haven't had the last few years. So the house is actually fully decorated this year. We have 2 trees up. And I hope that wasn't too noisy. I've got the kettle boiling for a cup of tea. So I will take you around. We'll go outside and start out there, and then I'm hoping I remember tonight to film with the lights all on for you guys. Okay, let's go. I don't have a lot outside, actually very little outside, because our house is at the Battle Axe driveway, and look, there's our driveway, and no one besides our neighbours sees our house, although we do have some lights up in our bedroom this year, but we don't have anything fancy outside. I just have, oh, he's fallen over, a little snowman in the garden, a little somewhere, and some puppy dogs, and some other little Christmas ornaments there, and another Merry Christmas sign, and then of course we have a wreath on the front door. So we have a wreath on the front door. So when you walk into a house, I've just got a little table set up there this year. So our Christmas village, which you can see, that gets bigger and bigger, so we keep having to find a new home for it. So that's my table, it's usually in that position. I've just put a few things on that because I do have all my candles and bits and pieces, vases and stuff under the stairs, so I still need to be able to access that. So I haven't got a lot in there, but we do have a nice garland on the banister, which I absolutely love. I don't think I've done it the last few years. I've just haven't been actually bothered. So I had no Christmas spirit, but it's all back this year. So we've got some candy canes for any visitors. And then we've got our Christmas village, which is always lots of fun. I haven't got anything new this year. Usually I buy a new house, but honestly I don't quite know where I'd put a new house if I got one. So it's probably just as well we didn't get any more. But I love that. I love the little village. I actually like trying to take some photos with it every year because they look really cute. So that's always fun. Chrissy, like, that's her thing to put out. I sort of help her unbox the houses and then she'll put it all out together. I mean, she hasn't so much this year, but other years she's liked to play with it. But I love it. So we've got quite the collection there now. The only other thing we have in this front entry, I have this cute sign. I can't remember if I got this last year or the year before. I think it was the year before I got that. And now into the bathroom or the downstairs toilet. It's not overly decorated. We've just got a little Christmas tree and some bauble things. What are they? Christmas baubles, Christmas ornaments in a jar. And then over in the little window here, just got little, I don't know if you can see them, little red and white berries, which is cute. And I think these had chocolates in them a few years back, so they've become that decoration. So that's all in here, and then going to the lounge room. So I've got a bit of stuff going on in here, not a lot though. I've decided I need some more decorations, so I've got a nice little centerpiece there, which is an old party light ornament, I guess. And then of course we've got the Christmas tree, fully decorated this year. Last year, because we're actually away for Christmas Day, all I did was put the lights and the bees on it, I think. We didn't even put the ornaments on it, so it's all fully decorated. I absolutely love this tree because it's got all Hallmark decorations that we've been collecting back to 93, but we actually got married in 92, so we've got decorations going back to there, and we've collected a couple each year. We try and at least get one to represent what we did the year, but you'll also see lots of Disney ones on here as well. Christy when she was a baby. Oh, me when I was pregnant. Well, it's not literally me, but that was the year I was pregnant. So I've got things from Alaska and Russia, the UK. So it's always a little trip down memory lane when we put this up. This was a new sister one that I got this year, and I haven't put our family one up yet because I've still got to get a family photo, which I'm planning to do on holidays. sisters when that was the year Christy was born. So lots of decorations collected. It's always fun. That was Amy when she was a baby. And some of these ones, I love these Hallmark ones that go round. Oh, he doesn't go round anymore. Why doesn't he go round? Oh, he does. So it's really fun. Like even that was like the year we went skiing. So most years we've been able to get something to represent that year. So that's always fun to put all the decorations out and have a little trip down memory lane. What else have we got in here besides the puppy dog? Just got, that's your new table runner I got, and I've got a matching tablecloth on the kitchen table. Had this for years, absolutely love this. Oh, Bailey's got, where are you, Bailey? That's Bailey. He's crying. I don't know where he is. I'll go find him in a minute. Oh, he's coming behind me. Hopefully he must have been stuck somewhere. So I've got a placemat that matches. I've changed over my little, I just have to use a purple bowl there, and I put a Santa dish. And just a little Christmas. Don't want to put too much here because there's laptops and obviously with tea and coffee and drinks here. And that was last year's puppy's photo with Santa. Which was fun. They were very good when they went and saw Santa. So here I've got the girls' stockings and the puppy dog stocking. And then this year it was fun to be able to actually use my shelves for the first time and put some stuff up there. So again, that reindeer was from Party Light a few years ago. Not sure I got a lot of this stuff from. It's been collected many years. One year I was determined I had to have a nutcracker, so I got my nutcracker. So that's that. I'll put my little birdie back because I kind of felt he sort of fitted in, even though it's not Christmassy. That's all for that room. Oh, we have a Christmas. We have one Christmas pillow. I'd like to actually get some more Christmas pillows. And then to the kitchen. I don't know whether the light looks really blue, but it does. Mr. Bailey. And then my desk, which is a bit of a mess because I'm currently working on our plans for our holiday, making sure everything's done. So I'll just put a few Christmassy things here. A few of my obviously my favourite ornaments, I guess. I picked up these last year, the year before, not sure, in Canberra. Not cute. That's another Party Light one. A lot of Party Light ones. And a wooden tree. I think I got that in Canberra too. I got a few nice sort of things that year. And I've just got a tinsely tree down there. The kitchen table. Got our Christmas tablecloth on. These are nice one because it's not, even though it's Christmas colours, it's not sort of overtly Christmas, and a lot of little birdies and stuff. And this is just from Big W. I'm actually going to go pick another one of these because actually someone's put ice cream out the day and it cleaned that really well. And yes, okay, it's a little bit rumpled, but I haven't ironed it. So that's a great I don't have to iron it, just hung out to dry, and that was it. Really good, I think. A few creases. That's okay. My little kissing clauses, which I absolutely love. I've had them for years. Another Party Light. Okay, what else have we got in the kitchen? Okay, I've got in my, I don't know what you call it, little opening cabinet here. Got my a little teapot and creamer, milk, sugar, a little house. You can actually put candles in that, but now I'm just using it more as a decoration. My gingerbread shelf, which I love. I love my little soft gingerbread man, he's beautiful. So I've got a few gingerbread things. This gingerbread house, I think I inherited from Mum. It's really not the nicest looking house, which I guess is why I inherited it. But it fits in with the gingerbread stuff, so it can stay. Party Light. My little addition to salt and pepper shaker. And then I've got my Whittards Christmas tea sets, which are really nice. I'm trying to get some more Christmas tea again this year. So that. And then fruit. And I just put the little Dear Santa letter. This was written out, I'm not sure it was last year or the year before, by Christy. Tell by the bad spelling. And a tea towel. I've got lots of Christmas tea towels. All that stuff's out now. And I've also changed over all our plates to our Christmas dining set. Also got bowls. And I put all the Christmas cups and stuff that we have in there as well. And a few of the other favourites, but mainly Christmas ones. And then I've got some Christmas candles here. And this lovely Santa with the reins. I love that. I bought that at a Christmas outlet shop, I think, or Christmas shop a few years ago. I just absolutely love it. I still love that. And this we bought in Russia. Or the Baltic, somewhere over there, a few years back. Our Advent calendar's in here this year. Now obviously we're not going to be here for most of December, so we're not actually doing the Christmas countdown, but Amy's actually using it to count down for Disney World. So it actually fits in nice there anyway, I think. Might be its new home next year. So I just got a few things in the family room. Got another Christmas tree. So our surplus decorations go in here. Hard to see with the light behind, it's going to the light. And then we've got we've got our singing cow. As you do. And a big Santa, there you go, Merry Christmas. Kevin likes, got a bit of a, well, I like cows, and Kevin's always making sort of cow jokes, so when I saw that I had to buy it. So I've got a little snowman, he's hiding behind there. So I've got a few things in here, and I bought out the girls have got Christmas blankets I got given by a friend a few years ago, so I've put them in there. We've got a Christmas dog, and I think that's pretty much it for this room. There's nothing in the scrapbook room, I don't think, this year. And I said we could actually have some more decorations. No, nothing in here, and I'll take you upstairs. Okay, so I'll take you upstairs now. Not a lot up here, but we do have a bit. So I've done the shelf here. This actually tells the night before Christmas story. She's not plugged in. I can't work out how to plug her in. There's no PowerPoint, which is very cute. I think Nan bought for Amy when she was very young. My Goldie Christmas plates. Which obviously only come out at Christmas. Another one. The girls haven't really decorated their rooms. I just put their box of Christmas books there, but I don't really think anyone's looked at that. I've just popped a Christmas tree into their bathroom and a little caroler thingy singing there. No, you can see them, one of them angels. Have a look at them. There you go. So I just popped them in there. I thought Christy was actually going to decorate her room, but her box of ornaments is still, oh, she's got a Christmas tree and her box of ornaments to put out. So she's put a few things out. She's put out that. I might try and help her do that later on. And then she's got this cute little, I'm so cute, squeeze me tight, I cannot wait till Christmas night. Isn't that cute? Usually goes on a bed. In our master bedroom, I just have Bailey the bear, who sits on our bed. He was a Christmas bear from Maya a few years ago, and obviously with having a dog called Bailey, we had to buy Bailey Bear, and he's very cute and soft. I'm actually keen to get the bear they got this year too. That's really cute. And just beside my bed, I have a little tea light candle holder. I don't know where we got that from, somewhere. And that's all we have in addition to the rope Christmas lights. Like, actually bright. And you'll see that when I do the little tour at night. You can see how bright they light up the room. New addition this year is some little hanging snowflake things. Which is how the best to show these off is. They certainly look better in real life than they do in a video. Videos don't really capture them very well, but they're fun to have up. These are two new additions that I bought from Maya this year. This cute little bird, and this is Lewis, who's the bear for 2012, and he's going to go on the bed beside Bailey Bear. I'm showing you the Christmas village at night. Doesn't work the best here when you move into the entryway, the lights will come on, but you know. Still it's cute though, as you see half the houses aren't lighting up at the moment. Need to get some new bulbs. Anyway, gives you an idea. And you hear Christy singing in the background as she goes to bed. Oh, there's a Christmas tree. The lights on, a sleeping puppy at the bottom. I don't know whether they're twinkling now, I prefer them still, but they're twinkling anyway. Oh, here's the family room tree. Not that you often have the lights on, actually I do see the tree looking like this when I come down in the morning. Because it's usually still dark outside. Very pretty. I'd like some more lights on that tree though. Next year. Alright, just showing you the bedroom lights. You probably can't appreciate, well maybe you can, because look, this is the only light that's on is those lights. And you can see the puppies quite clearly, so it's a bit bright to sleep with, but it probably looks nice from out in the street. I hope you enjoyed that tour of my home, all decorated for Christmas. I really have decided I need some more Christmas decorations, and I might have to go and do a little bit of Christmas shopping, maybe when I come back from the States, see what I get over there, and maybe hop into town and pick up a few things, because there's a few areas that I feel could use a bit more decorating now, especially this year when I've got the Christmas spirit. Who knows what will happen next year. So I hope you enjoyed, and if you guys decorate your home, please, I'd love to see a video. If you do videos or a blog post, let me know, and I would love to come by and check it out. Might not be until we get back from the trip, but I will definitely call by. If you put a link there, let me know. I will come and check it out for you guys. I'd love to see it. Okay, bye.